Okay guys, so this is the next part of the project. If you've seen my other video, you've seen that I took apart the intake section of the engine and replaced the gaskets and gave it a good clean out. So I thought, why not, let's do the exhaust side of the engine and let's renew the gaskets for the exhaust and the turbocharger. The same thing happened. I went down to Mercedes and I spoke to them, and basically they just had a bunch of sort of standard gaskets that they'd used to replace, and they were lucky enough to print off these diagrams for me, and we even circled the gaskets that we were putting together in this kit. You can see in this kit part number 180 that's circled here. It's not actually one gasket, it's a set of O-rings and bolts for the turbocharger. So if you want to renew all the sealing rings for the turbocharger, it comes with a kit, as you'll see. I've got pictures of all the gaskets and things coming up, so just stick with the video and you'll see pictures of all the gaskets and the part numbers and things. Here's some more technical drawings of the exhaust section to work on, so this is going to help you greatly when you want to pull the exhaust section of the car off and the turbocharger and give everything a good clean out. I think the important thing for this is just make sure that you've got all your gaskets and all your parts ready. Preparation is key for this. So funnily enough, the cost also was it was a little over $200 also, so it was about the same price as the intake manifold and the EGR gaskets. So it's a fairly reasonable price project just for these gaskets. You can just see here the parts list and the cost, and here are all the gaskets. And that is the sealing kit for the turbocharger, and that's a quick diagram again of the emissions section for the EGR. But as we're dealing with the exhaust section here, you can see in the top left hand of the diagram is where the other missing gaskets were from the previous project, from what Mercedes gave me. So we're going to replace those now. So that's for the emissions section of the EGR valve on the exhaust side of the engine, and I've just got pictures of the gaskets once again.